So, you're ready to start your online income journey but don't know exactly where to start? Don't worry. In this video, I'm going to give you my top 5 online incomes you can start today. Let's get to it. The first one on our list is going to be starting a t-shirt business. I know. Starting a t-shirt business seemed like it would be very hard, time consuming, and frankly quite expensive. But with the help of a few websites, it's not. You'll be able to start a t-shirt business with $20 or $30 and sometimes even free if you wanted to. The first website we're going to be using is called Canva.com. With Canva.com, you're able to make amazing templates and t-shirt designs to your liking, or you can use already made templates and just customize them to however you want and use these as your t-shirt designs. It's really simple to use and it's free. And the second website you can use is called Placeit.com. Placeit.com is very similar to Canva, and you're able to make amazing t-shirt designs as well on here. I've used both of these websites, so I can recommend both of them for great use, and it's really easy to use also. And an added bonus with Placeit.com is you're able to upload your t-shirt designs after you make them onto models, so you can see how it will look on an actual person, which is really neat. And you can even download this so you can advertise it if you wanted to. And something else I must mention, you can't use already branded logos like Coca-Cola or Nike or anything like that. That's a quick way to get sued, so just make your own and stay away from all of that, because I don't think you want to get sued. The second online income you can start is becoming a virtual assistant. No, you don't need any type of background knowledge or special information to become one of these. Most of the time, whoever hires you for the job is going to teach you the skills needed to complete it. So on top of getting paid for whatever job you get hired, you'll be able to increase your online skill set. A couple websites you can start your virtual assistant journey on is Fiverr and Upwork.com. Both places you can sign up for free, and it'll take you less than an hour to fill out all the information to have your gig up and running. An added bonus, once you get a couple gigs under your belt and people can see that you're trustworthy, you'll be able to increase however much you want, and you can charge a decent amount of money, and that's really where the big bucks come in from being a virtual assistant. Alright, and on to side hustle number 3. It's one of my personal favorites. It's becoming a blogger. There's a couple ways you can approach becoming a blogger. You can create your own website and just upload blog posts on honestly whatever topic you want to. It could be anywhere from food to how to find the best old baseball cards. The possibilities are endless, and people are always going to search for it. Or another way you can start doing this is going to a website like medium.com and writing blog posts for them. And over time, once you start becoming better and better in their ranking, they'll actually pay you once people start reading your blogs. And the third way you can make money by doing it is going to Upwork and Fiverr.com, and you can actually upload your services on there for however much. It can be anywhere from $10 to $250. It's a lot of people that charge a lot of money for their blog posting services. You can go in there and just create a gig, and once you do that, people will come to you and buy your gig, and then you go write blog posts for them. In my opinion, I recommend starting your own website. This does require the most work up front and the most consistent work over time, but this also provides the most profit as well. A lot of websites can see anywhere from like $1,000 a month up to some building themselves up to seeing over $1 million a month. So the possibilities are endless. If you pick a topic that you're genuinely interested in, it's going to be way easier than picking something that you don't know nothing about. So I encourage you, if you do create a website, to pick something that you're genuinely interested in. Do you have a talent or a skill that you're very knowledgeable in or good at? Most likely you do. Everybody does. It can be anything from cooking, cleaning, to even playing Fortnite. And the way you can profit off of this is by starting your own online course. It's actually very easy to start an online course. All you have to do is grab your camera or phone and just walk anybody that will be interested in signing up for your course through every step it will take to become a pro or just knowledgeable at whatever you're doing. The best part, you can charge however much you want. It can be $10 or even $1,000, however much you think your knowledge is worth. What I would personally do though is I would start off really small, around $15, and over time, once I grow an audience and I see people are actually buying it, then I would grow my prices up more by more. And don't worry about having to do a bunch of work. You only have to do the course one time through and through, upload it to whatever website you want to, and after that they advertise and do everything else for you. A couple websites you can upload your course to is Udemy or Skillshare. Both websites promote your course once it's uploaded. And last but not least on our list, drum roll please, is affiliate marketing plus Facebook groups. I'm also a big fan of this one too for various number of reasons. But first, before I tell you why, for anybody that doesn't know what affiliate marketing completely is, affiliate marketing is promoting another company's product. They'll give you a link, and once they give you the link to whatever product or website it is, once people click on it and they buy said product that you're promoting, you get paid for that because the link they clicked on was unique to you, and now the company gets a sale and they split the piece of the sale with you. It could be anywhere from, like, I don't know, Amazon does like 4%, or some even give you like 50%. It all depends on who you're with. And starting off, the products I will promote is products off of ClickBank or CJ.com. They're both easy websites that you can sign up for to become affiliate for. And once you do this, just go through all their products and see what products you want to promote. And once you do this, you want to go to Facebook and create a group, and like say you picked a cat product. If you picked a cat product, you should make your Facebook group around cat products. And don't just try to promote something for the money. Try to promote something that you're interested in. The group that you can see right now is one I created. It's called Our Daily Blogs, because I just created a website that was named Our Daily Blogs. I love blogging, so I just started it up so I can invite people to talk about blogging, and so I can promote, whatever I need to on there as well. So, it's a win-win situation. I'm able to answer people's questions that need help with blogging. I'm able to promote my guide or whatever it is that they could be able to purchase or that they need. And over time, once your groups build up more and more, then you'll be able to increase your sales and be able to build a pretty decent community. It's actually pretty nice to be a part of one of those. Like, to know that you built something up and, people able to talk about what they need to, about whatever topic you started on. It's pretty nice, and you making a pretty decent profit as well. All right, and we made it to the end. And just remember, you can try all of them, and just try to do the one that you enjoy the most. Like, say with t-shirt designs, you creative, you like designing stuff, then that will probably be the best one for you. And say for me, my favorite is blogging. I love blogging, I love typing, I love reading, I love all of that. That might not be you. Just find whatever you like the most, and I feel like whatever one you like the most, you'll go the farthest in. If you're just doing it for the money, it will not work out as good. So just remember, be passionate about it, and the money will come sooner or later. I hope you was able to find value out of this video. If you was, please smash that like button for me, and I hope you have a nice day.